Welcome to the breast screening unit. Here you will be invited for your appointment. Today we are going to show you the process. You can make your way up the stairs, or alternatively we have a lift that is able to come up and down for users that require that.
You'll now be met by one of our mammographers who will check you in for your appointment. You will then be shown into one of the changing cubicles. You will be asked to undress to the waist, taking off your bra and popping one of your layers back on. So next you'll be called into the X-ray room. Here we will check some details. We will ask for your name, date of birth, address, and if you have any breast problems or any history of anything in the past. So now it's time for your mammogram. So this will consist of 4 pictures, 2 up and down and 2 on the side. Anya here will be showing how it's done. The compression will be coming down on the breast. One of our mammographers will be then going behind the screen to take the image. Once the image is taken, the compression will release automatically. This takes about 30 to 40 seconds and it will be repeated for each image. Next will be the sideway pictures. The machine moves by itself. You'll be popped into the machine, leaning in, and the compression coming down again. Sometimes we do need to do some extra pictures if we haven't quite got everything we need. If you have any problems standing or you're unsteady on your feet, we also have this chair that we can take the mammogram in. So that's the end of your appointment. You'll now be asked to get yourself dressed and you're free to go whenever you're ready. Those results would take about 2 to 3 weeks to get to you in the post. And a copy will go to your GP as well.
Thank you for attending your breast screening appointment. You will be invited every 3 years. If you're over the age of 70, you're still welcome to attend, but you have to make your own appointment.